Good morning. I'll give you a quick walkthrough because I know you're not here. Start there. Ran into the landscapers. They pulled in right behind us. I'm not 100% sure they were too happy we were here before them, but it is what it is. Alright. Went ahead and checked both doors as asked. Alright, I will show you the one spot on your windows that I noticed, which is right here. It seems to be rust spots and just oxidation buildup, but it is on both front windows. That has pure bleach on it. It has pretty much the last. Sorry, the sun got now. Ooh. It's had pure bleach on it probably the last hour, or since we've been here rather. Yeah, there's leaves back on the roof. Sun kind of messing with me there. As you see, well, like I said, we literally just blew the roof off, so that's kind of probably something to do with all the trees hanging over. The front door is locked, by the way. That big window right there does have a few smears on it. Nothing worth replacing. Went ahead and got the 4 columns cleaned for you. Why not? Back door is locked as well. This bad boy was pretty dirty back here. As you see, all the rails are cleaned. Pretty cool little painting. Alright. There's one piece of siding missing right at the top. But it is what it is. Let's see if I can get you a good shot of behind all the trees. All right. You have a wonderful morning.